We're going to troubleshoot why your first Discord-ranked bot isn't responding, that dreaded application did not respond error. This is a common problem, and often stems from a few key issues. 1. Insufficient resources. Your bot might simply not have enough processing power or memory allocated. Discord bots, especially those managing ranked systems, can be resource-intensive. If your bot is hosted on a low-powered machine or a shared hosting service, it could easily get overloaded, leading to the application did not respond error. Try upgrading your hosting plan to one with more RAM and CPU cores. 2. Inefficient code. Poorly written code is a major culprit. Inefficient loops, unnecessary database queries, or improper error handling can all cause your bot to hang or crash. This requires careful code review. Look for areas where you can optimize your code to reduce processing time and resource usage. Consider using profiling tools to identify bottlenecks in your application. 3. Database issues. If your bot uses a database, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB, to store ranked data, problems with the database can cause major issues. A slow database connection, corrupted data, or simply a poorly structured database query can cause your bot to freeze. Ensure your database is running smoothly, optimize your queries, and check for any errors in your database logs. 4. External API problems. Does your bot interact with any external APIs, application programming interfaces? Problems with these APIs, such as slow responses or service outages, can cascade and cause your bot to freeze. Check the status of any APIs your bot uses and make sure they're functioning correctly. Implement proper error handling and retry mechanisms in your code to gracefully handle API issues. 5. Infinite loops or recursion. A common coding mistake is creating an infinite loop or unintended recursion. This can completely lock up your bot, leading to the application did not respond error. Carefully review your code for any loops or recursive functions that might not terminate correctly. 6. Memory leaks. Memory leaks occur when your application allocates memory but fails to release it, gradually consuming all available resources. This is harder to spot but can be identified through memory profiling tools. Address these memory issues by correctly managing memory allocation and deallocation in your code. 7. Operating system issues. Sometimes the problem isn't your bot itself, but the operating system it runs on. A lack of updates, insufficient system resources, even for the OS itself, or underlying OS bugs can contribute to the problem. Ensure your operating system is up to date, well-maintained, and has sufficient resources allocated. 8. Unhandled exceptions. Your bot might encounter unexpected errors that aren't properly handled. This can cause it to crash or freeze. Implement robust error handling throughout your code to catch exceptions and prevent unexpected crashes. Log errors effectively to help in debugging. By systematically investigating these areas, you should be able to pinpoint the cause of the application did not respond error and get your Discord-ranked bot running smoothly again. Remember to always back up your code and data before making significant changes.